You bring along a door stop with you. You stick it in the door, keep the door open about 3 or 4 inches because there's air conditioning in the hall. You want to get that air conditioning into your room. So you put that door stop in there, keep the door open about 3 or 4 inches. But for safety reasons, you bring a piece of rope and you tie the door to a metal piece on the door frame so no one can push the door open. That's how you can get air conditioning into the hotel room at the Horseshoe.